Good morning, students. Today is 15th March. Thought of the week is silence is the best answer to someone who doesn't value your words. So, children, we are with the chapter 16, that is surface area and volume. And in the last part, we have seen some examples, and practice set 16.1 is also over. 16.2 we are going with, and question number 1 is already over of practice set 16.2. I think you have finished 16.2 question number 1, and now we will start question number 2. Find the total surface area of a closed cylindrical drum if it is diameter is 50 centimeter and height is 45 centimeter. Here, children, you have to use the value of pi as 3.14 and not 22/7 because it is mentioned here. For a closed cylindrical drum, diameter is given as 50 centimeter and height is given as 45 centimeter. So from the diameter you can find the radius. So radius is equal to diameter divided by 2, that is 50 upon 2, which is equal to 25 centimeter. Now we have radius also, we have height also. Now use the formula total surface area is equal to 2 pi r into r plus h. So 2 into 3.14 into 25, and in bracket 25 plus h is what? 45. Now 2 into 3.14 into 25 into 25 plus 40 is what? 70. So after the calculation, that is after the multiplication, what we get? 10,990 centimeter square. This is the total surface area. It is equal to 10,990 centimeter square. Okay, now second question is also over. So third question, find the area of base and radius of cylinder if its curved surface area is 660 square centimeter and height is 21 centimeter. Now what is given? Height is given and curved surface area is given. So for a cylinder, height is 21 centimeter and curved surface area is 660 square centimeter. So use the formula for curved surface area is equal to 2 pi RH, and now substitute the value. 660 is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into R into H. R we don't know, so R keep it as it is. And now here pi value is not mentioned here, so 22 upon 7. So what will be R then? 660 multiplied by 7 upon 2 into 22 into 21 in the denominator. Therefore R is equal to 5 centimeter. Now area of base is equal to pi r square. So what will be area of base then? 22 upon 7 into r square is 5 into 5. That is equal to 78.57 centimeter square. This is area of base, that is 78.57 centimeter square. Now we have finished question number 3. Have you understood, children? Now come towards the next question. Question number 4. Find the area of the sheet required to make a cylindrical container which is open at one side and whose diameter is 28 centimeter and height is 20 centimeter. Find the approximate area of the sheet which is required to make a lid of height 2 centimeter for this container. So one by one, now what is given for open cylindrical container? For open cylindrical container, diameter is 28 centimeter, height is 20 centimeter. So from the diameter you can find radius r, diameter divided by 2, that is 28 upon 2 is 14 centimeter. So now what is here? Find the area of the sheet required to make a cylindrical container. So to find the area, what we have to write? Area of sheet required to make the container. If the container is a cylindrical container, so how much area of the sheet required? That will be curved surface area of cylinder and plus area of base. So these two areas you have total areas. If you add these two areas, then you will get area of the sheet. So first is curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH and area of base is pi r square. Now substitute the value. 2 into 22 upon 7 into r is 14 and h is 20 plus again pi is 22 upon 7 into r square is 14 into 14. So 1760 plus the calculation of these three numbers 616. So total is 2376 square centimeter. This much is the area of sheet required to make the container. Therefore, final answer, area of sheet required to make container is equal to 2376 square centimeter. Children, everywhere you have to write the final answer along with the formula. As formula is important, the given things are also important and the final answer is also important. So 4 question is over and no, the last part is left, children. In that question, what we have found? We have found the area of sheet required to make cylindrical container, that is 2376. And now children, here the next question is asked, find the approximate area of sheet required to make the lid whose height is 2 centimeter. So again we have to use this same formula, but their height should be 2 centimeter. So continue. For lid, radius r is 14 centimeter, height h is 2 centimeter now. So therefore area of approximate sheet required for lid will be what? 2 pi rh plus pi r square, that is curved surface area plus area of base, again same. Now 2 into 22 upon 7 into 14 into, here height will be 2 plus 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. So 176 plus 616, that is 792 square centimeter. This is the approximate area of the sheet which is required for making the lid. Therefore area of sheet required to make lid is equal to 792 square centimeter. So in this way, now this 4th question is over. So now some formulas are there, and now see the new topic, volume of a cylinder. What we have to do? To find how much water a tank of cylindrical shape can hold, we have to find the volume of the tank first. A common formula for volume of any prism will be what? Volume of any prism is equal to what? Area of base into height. Volume of any prism is equal to what? Area of base into height. And base of a cylinder is circular. That's why volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Okay children, so with this formula, in the next part we will solve some examples.